Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Tutorial channel. This round I want to show you the ignition model. I want to catch up on some of the ignition models that has been released for the past couple of months. This three being one of the more recent ones. Of course, we've seen the news of they're gonna so-called re-release some of the previous colors. However, with a bit of variant here and there. The first noticeable variant would be the colors. However, I will share about that on a separate video. So this round, I want to focus more on the Malaysia exclusive, the Chameleon purple blue colors, and also the recent Japan exclusive, the gold. Okay, of course, the one that many people are most excited about is actually the Chameleon. This will be the very first Chameleon color that initial model has released. Okay, so let's see. So this is the PANDEM R35 GTR purple blue. Okay, and one thing about this two packaging, right? That they put this sticker, the IG licensed product sticker, and so far of all the release that I've seen so far, right? There are only another two which has the sticker, which is the RX-7, Japan exclusive again. The green metallic, and also the titanium gray that has that licensed product sticker. So it has not appeared on any of the other packing. So I'm not exactly sure why only this 4 cars has that sticker. See, even the new release, the Japan exclusive, does not have that. Alright, and let's go straight to it. Okay, just put this aside. We'll look at the GTR first. Look at that. So this is really something. I'm not sure you can see from the camera, because what I see from my camera and what I see in person, right, is actually very different. Basically there are two colors in there. I do see a slight hint of yellow, not just purple and blue. There is a slight hint of yellow here and there. You know, when I turn a different angle, then it will look like a different color. Of course, it stands out even more when you put it under the sunlight. Okay, so this is also, I think it's safe to say, this is the first time they did something a little special for the Malaysia exclusive, the Malaysia Diecast Expo X, combining with TAGCC 2019. So the previous time it was just the sticker on top. Okay, Malaysia Hobby Expo. Okay, the plate is actually very similar to the rest of the release. However, this time it does not have the sticker, but at least it has the special plate, which is a very, very nice touch. So at the back, it says limited production. So it did not state how many pieces were made. We're guessing maybe 1,000 pieces. That's what we're guessing. Oh, this is crazy. So, of course, my favorite casting is still the 86 from them. Yep. So this is PANDEM Toyota 86 version 3, purple blue. Okay, take that out. Okay, for this one, I want to, you know what, the plate is the same, so it does not state which model it is. It just states the event. Okay, for this one, I want to remove it from the base. This is crazy. I really like the finishing on this. I think the initial model did a superb job on this particular model. Look at that. It's purple, it's blue. Whoa. I like the combination of the color, the decals, and also the wheels, chrome wheels. I still like the 86 casting the best out of the rest of the casting so far. Comparing with the RX-7, the EG, and the GTR, this is still my favorite. I kind of feel that compared to the rest, they're all very rounded. Compared to the rest, the 86 has more details to it. You can see the radiator so much more clearer, and then there's all the trinkets on the side, the diffusers at the back. So it kind of like there are more things to look at, there are more things to drool at. Nice, very nice. Okay, so underneath, nothing much, just the IG logo. Okay, you know what? Let's stick this out as well. Okay, right there. Oh man. Huh? The mufflers are very chrome this time around. Is it the same? Yeah. Yep. Still the same. Still the same as the orange. But this time somehow, I don't know, I kind somehow caught my eyes really bling. Nice, nice. Awesome. So I think this is really worth to keep. Hopefully, yeah, I always wonder when they put it as Malaysia exclusive, will they go and reproduce and put it onto the different cars, the EG and also the RX-7. I do hope somehow, because it makes it special. So personally, I hope they only use it here and possibly only on exclusive cars, because this is a really very nice finishing. So next, I want to talk about the goal. So of course, I kind of assume that they would stop making the GTR and focus on the new Supra and also the R34. However, we've seen a couple of photos. There will be this goal, and then upcoming we will see another new color, the green. I'm not sure if it's same with the RX-7. I think it's not. But we'll see. All right. So this is in gold. Yes, that's the official name of it. Okay. Let's go straight to it. Okay. So this gold is slightly metallic. Still, yeah, one of the best 1/64 scale out there right now in diecast. It's really amazing how Initial Model is able to pull off time and time again. Look at that. Awesome. So there are a couple more coming. Re-release the white, the red, the blue. I don't remember seeing the gun metallic. So the news that I get is because people have been getting a little upset on why Initial Model is re-releasing these colors, just changing the wheel and changing the decal and re-releasing it. So people are just saying it's just another variant, and I think it's a very nice idea because the reason I heard from them is those are meant for the Japanese market. What happened was those are actually the first few colors that was made by Initial Model, and at that point in time it wasn't available in Japan. Hence, quite a lot of the collectors either did not get it or they got it at a premium. So this round they kind of remade a couple of the ones that the Japanese market didn't get, and yeah, that's why all of them are actually going to be Japan exclusive. So only two new colors so far, this one, the gold, and also the green. The rest will be a re-release. However, even though it's a re-release, people think that it's the same color. I've seen the blue 86, the latest one. It does look different. I can't wait to get my hands on that piece, and of course I want to show it to you as well. Nice. So far, how many? Oh, there are so many of them. I think there are 7 or 8 pieces. I'll need to go and count them later. Of the GTR. Cool, still a very nice color. Alright, so that's about it for this round. Okay, and so I have taken a couple of close-up photos of these and put them on my Instagram. Do remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss any of my awesome diecast videos. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Bye.